Okay guys, I'm going to show you some look-alike fiddleheads. These are not fiddleheads. They certainly look like fiddleheads from a distance. But the way to tell if it's a fiddlehead, fiddleheads have a stem. I'm going to break one of these off. Fiddleheads have a stem that has a hollow part in the middle. And it's very smooth with no hair. And in the top, fiddleheads have like a brown skin that peels off very easily. There's no brown skin on these. So these are not fiddleheads. They have hair on them. They don't have a hollow spot in their stem. They don't have the brown. So these are a look-alike. Do not eat these. Just be careful, guys, when you're looking for your fiddleheads, okay? So these are look-alikes, and they're actually not good for you at all. So don't pick these. And when you are getting your fiddleheads, the best fiddleheads to get are under 8 inches. I wouldn't take a fiddlehead that was more than 8 inches. I take fiddleheads that are 5 to 6 inches max. See how these don't have the hollow thing? They do have like a little bit of the brown papery thing, a bit, but not like the real fiddlehead. It has like a thin paper that you can just pull right off. It's a skin, and the fiddlehead's stalk is very smooth with none of this fuzzy hair on it. This is not a fiddlehead. Okay, there you go, guys.